from $39 to $115, and from 2.6 quarts to 13 quarts. These are the best air fryer deals on Amazon right now. You will find the links to all these 7 air fryers in the description below. With a 20% discount, the Dash Tasty Crisp Air Fryer is just $39 right now. It has a capacity of 2.6 quarts, which means it is ideal for one person or at most 2. You will be able to make small meals, and you can do air frying very effectively, but it does not have any additional functions like roast, dehydrate, bake, or reheat. It is super simple to use with just one knob to set the time. Simple to operate, small size, and hassle-free. Next up is the Chefman TurboFry 8 quarts air fryer. Chefman is not as well known as the top brands, but it has been around for a while and is reliable and trusted by many buyers. At a price of $69, it is a real bargain, but you will have to make do with a second-rung brand. The air fryer will perform very well, and you won't have complaints, but the after-sales service may not be great. Its control panel is touch and looks quite like the Instant Vortex control panel without the knob. It has some convenient one-touch presets for fries, chicken, fish, and meat. All in all, great for a larger family who wants a hard-working, effective air fryer that will not be very versatile. The one thing really going for it is the incredibly low price of just $69. Next, we have a Ninja Air Fryer, one of the top brands in air fryers. The Ninja 4 quarts AF101 air fryer is a workhorse and very popular too. It was originally $130, and after a 40% discount, it is at just $79. Considering the brand and the popularity of the model, this is an excellent buy at this price. It comes with multiple functions like air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, broil, and more. This air fryer has a massive number of positive reviews, and compared to other popular air fryers, its return rate on Amazon is very low. That means most people who buy it find it to have very high quality and are happy with it. At 4 quarts, it is good enough for a family of 3 or 4. Our next air fryer on a great deal is the Chefman 10 quarts multifunctional digital air fryer. It has 3 removable racks to cook 3 different things at the same time. However, it is all in one basket, so the cooking settings will be the same for all 3. It offers 17 one-touch presets that makes cooking very easy for you. The biggest advantage of this air fryer is its large size. You can roast a whole chicken in it with ease. The functions it offers are air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and roast. It has a touch control panel that is easy to use and has a light to let you see how your cooking is going. It has a regular price of $140, and with a 43% discount, its price is down to just $79. That is the same as the 4 quarts Ninja air fryer before this one. So looking at size and its quality, it is a pretty good deal. Cosori is one of the best brands in air fryers and has built up a solid reputation over many years. This 6 quarts air fryer is a 9-in-1 and will air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, defreeze, proof, reheat, and keep warm. It comes with over 100 recipes in the accompanying app. This makes it quite easy to cook a variety of dishes just by following instruction in the app. It also has something called a 5 airspeed fan system to move the hot air around. But this is just fancy nomenclature for something similar that every air fryer has. It was originally $120, and after a 25% discount, it is now just $89. There is no denying that you will get a high-quality air fryer and great results from air frying. However, at $89, you may also find several others that are as good as it is. Our next air fryer is also from Cosori, but this one is really large. It has a capacity of 13 quarts and is an 11-in-1. Though it has a huge capacity, it does not have a very large footprint. Its 11 functions are rotisserie, bake, air fry, pizza, toast, reheat, proof, broil, warm, roast, and dry. You can cook an 8-inch pizza in it, or a whole 4 pounds chicken, or 2 pounds of fries. The reason this air fryer is not as popular as other Cosori air fryers is its size. Not many need such a large capacity. If you actually have a large family or cook large meals often, then this is an excellent choice, especially now that it is at a 23% discount, bringing its price down from $130 to $99. Our last air fryer that is on a deal on Amazon right now is also a Cosori. This is the 5.8 quarts 12-in-1 air fryer. A cool additional function it offers is the ability to save the time and temperature of any preset, thanks to its customizable cooking functions. That means your favorite presets will be saved, and you can also add or remove a shake reminder with it. Another new feature is the Adapt IQ technology. This makes the air move all around for 360 degrees circulation, which results in faster cooking and crispier results. Of course, it has 12 functions too, which are toast, bake, steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, French fries, vegetables, preheat, and keep warm. This air fryer has got a 10% discount, bringing its price down from $130 to $116. A not too great discount on a very good air fryer, which makes it worthwhile. That's it for this video on the best air fryer deals right now. We hope you found a deal and an air fryer that was to your liking. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top to get more such videos. Also, do share your thoughts in the comments section below.